Okay, guys, my name is Professor Holy Rock, and I want to show you today how to make someone a social media manager to your YouTube channel. Okay, if you are the one that wants to hire somebody to be your social media manager, you can on YouTube. This is what you do. If you are the one that wants to become a social media manager to someone, you can watch this, and you don't know how, you can watch this and do it for the person. Okay, so now you need to have this place on your phone, YouTube Studio. You see it, you need to have it. This is YouTube Studio. There are two different things. Okay, so you need to have this one also in your phone. Then you click on it, click on the YouTube Studio. Then you see this place, you see here. Yeah, now it's the person who want to make somebody a social media manager. We have to do this so that the person can be posting for the person. Okay, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, as every day, every week, I'll be posting an informative video. Okay, so you click on that place, this picture, you click on the picture. Okay, so you want to make somebody your social media manager on YouTube. This is what to do. Then you see this place called or waiting settings. You click on it. You see this place called switch account. All this place has what it does, but I don't want to go into that because I don't want this video to be long. Okay, so I'll just click on this settings. So click on settings. Now it will open. Then you click on, you see here it says permissions. You see here, you click there. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It doesn't cost anything, just subscribe. Okay, one day you will see a video that you will, even if you don't need this one, tomorrow I may drop a video that you will need. So just subscribe. Okay, so you click on the, you see add or change permissions for your channel. So click on permissions. Now you want to invite somebody. Now you see this place, it says invite. You see here, invite. So the person that you want to invite would have given you his or her email address. So you put the person email address. Let me just say, I don't want to invite any person now. Okay, but let me just use this email. So let's say I want to invite this person to be my, yes, I know this email has already been added here. So let me just use something like this. Okay, this one. So I want to invite. You see it has marked good. You see it, that's marked good. So now you look at all this place. What do you want the person to do? What do you want the person to have access to as your YouTube manager? Let's say you are a very busy person and you don't have time to post. So many persons are busy. Okay, that one is sure. So they need somebody to be posting on. So they will schedule. Maybe I will do another video for that. Let me just go into, so what time, how many times the person will be posting in a week, okay, or even a month and all that. So the person will give the person access. If you want the person to be a manager or an editor, don't look at what they want the person to do. So then you just click on that. Let's say you want the person to be the manager. Then you click, you tip it. Okay, you see it. When you want, you just click, and let's say you want person to be manager, you click it, and then you now click send invitation. So the person will receive it and accept it, and the person will begin. So you now begin the process. This is how to do it for YouTube. I will do for Facebook, I will do for other things, but for now this is YouTube. So please, that is all I want to show you on this place. Okay, so please don't forget to hit the subscribe buttons so that anytime I come on YouTube and drop a video, I was just surprised. I just came. I've not come online because I went to MC for the weekend. I'm also an MC. For those who don't know, I'm a professional MC. I MC weddings, birthdays, name them, church event, concert, even crusade. If it's a church, but if it's a secular parties, wedding, those ones are secular, but it can be by Christians and Muslims. I MC them professionally. I've not really been posting my MC work online. Even most of my videos, I've not posted them online. I have them in my hard drive. But was it last week? I just posted this video. I posted it on TikTok or I just posted this wedding video. Let me go to that place. And I've not even come to see what is happening there, not because I've been busy. Which even yesterday, Sunday, I anchored some events. But when I came in now, let me click this. When I came in now and I saw that it has gotten so much, over 2,000 views. I wanted to show you that, but this video is getting long. So on my channel, this is my channel, Professor Holy Rock. I talk about money, how to do some things online, and sexual purity. Okay, so you can subscribe anyone you're interested in. You will like. Now this is the video, 2,400 views. Just yesterday, the first day, I was shocked to see this. So I'll be posting more of, well, not more, some of my the event I MC. If it's like the ones I did last week, Saturday and Sunday, I didn't even video them myself. I was busy capturing, but if they send it to me or I have a clips of, I will just post. Okay, so I'm a professional MC, so you can hire me for that. I'm not that expensive, very affordable. Okay, so that is that. So please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and let's do more here. Thank you. I remain Professor Holy Rock.